Swadika, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make drunken noodles, spaghetti drunken noodles or pad spaghetti Kee Mao. And we're gonna make it seafood. Now you can make it pork, you can make it chicken, you can make it shrimp, any meat you like. The ingredient is under the description. So first step, I'm gonna tell you what we have over here. We have black squid ink spaghetti, we have squid, we have basil, we have shrimp, we have green peppers, have finger gingers, I think that's what they call, and then Kaffir lime leaf, chili. This one is big chili that is not spicy, and we have holy basil, or you can use basil, and we have stir fry oil. You can use any vegetable oil you like. I'm using coconut oil, both of them are coconut oil. We have oyster sauce. This is the water, but this will be spaghetti's like water when you boil it. I'm gonna put water for now so you can see, but I'm gonna use the water from the spaghetti that I boiled. Minced garlic, fish sauce, roti pork seasoning, and sugar. Normally in Thailand, what most people like to do is add salt and oil, but I like to add salt and then boil it and then drain it out and then add the oil later. I don't know which is right, which is wrong, but I just found that if you add the oil later when you drained it, the spaghetti turn out not to be sticky. Meanwhile, you put it in there, basically doing nothing, in my opinion. So let me know how you cook your spaghetti. I'm not an expert in spaghetti, I'm an expert on rice. Let's see, the water is bubbling now. I'm gonna add salt to taste in there. And we're gonna boil our spaghetti until it's al dente. There you go. I set up the time for 10 minutes and we'll see how they turn out. Okay, it's been less than 10 minutes actually. Do you call that al dente? Al dente is inside still crispy. Is it correct? Let me ask Adam. Okay, Adam said that is al dente. I don't cook spaghetti. Okay, we're gonna sip up. Keep that water. For our soup. About half a cup. Now I'm gonna, I'm so dark. Okay, now I'm gonna drain these. Hot oil. And I'll just rest it there. Add the oil. Wait for the oil to get hot a little bit, and then we can stir fry. Alright, now the oil is nice and hot. We're gonna add our seafood in. I'll add the one that cooked slower. Just like that, and then remove it from the pan. There you go. For the oil that left in there, it's just flavor. So we're gonna use that oil, add garlic in. Stir fry until fragrant. Add spaghetti. tomato sauce, fish sauce, pork seasoning, sugar, see, the reason why I really like to make my own sauce first before I stir fry, because I'm very slow with this. So better to mix all the sauce together and then add it in one time, because otherwise in Thai we call lon. Lon is like me loning right now. Add our vegetables, and it's dry now. We add the water, seafood, basil, wow, look at that, that looks delicious. Okay, we're gonna put it in a plate. There you have it, drunken noodles. I taste it and it's good. I'm gonna taste it again though. Where's that? I'm gonna taste it again though. The taste test. How about this big bite? Really good. Oh my god. Wow. Amazing. But originally, drunken noodles supposed to be spicy, like very spicy. So when you do the stir fry garlic, add the chili then, bird eye chili, Thai bird eye chili, the best. And yeah, but I don't eat spicy food. For me, this is very good. And the recipe under the description. For the spaghetti, you can use, I think for the drunken noodles, the best is with the spaghetti or instant noodles, or same noodle that for Pad Kee Mao, flat rice noodles. That is the best type to do it. Oh my god, the noodles, the spaghetti is so good. 10 out of 10. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.